Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Persons. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart dresses collections only for you. So let me display this one. Very beautiful one, maroon shade, soft one, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, fully designer piece. This one is beautiful, smart cutting and premium quality, soft rayon cotton fabric and fully smart cutting design with beautiful jackets. This one is removable also, jacket pattern, very trendy and smart looks and fully designer work, sequin with beautiful flower design, very trendy and smart looks, fully designer piece. And this one bottom portions, contrast color, leggings, soft cotton fabric leggings, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is full set, very bright one. So let me display next one. This one very beautiful bright gown party looks, very nice one, art silk material base part and with beautiful beads design, embroidery beads design and all over fine weaving checks design. Material is art silk based for your party wear, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full gown shape and this one is beautiful contrast weaving dupatta and full neck portions and top portions is beautiful beads embroidery design, very nice bright looks based for your party wear. And inside have cut inside sleeves available, you can attach also and have some colors, beautiful colors. This one another color, same pattern, same material, different color combinations, very nice looks, beautiful gown, art silk material base with beautiful checks design and beads work, very nice and trendy looks. And this one very bright one, bright yellow shade, same pattern, very nice bright looks based for your party wear. This one same material, same pattern, beautiful beads design and fully gown shape. Inside have sleeves also you can attach, very trendy and bright gorgeous party looks. And this one another color combinations, very nice one. This one is purple shade, same pattern, gown shape with design work, very nice color combination, same material, art silk, very beautiful bright one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful and elegant looks, crepe material, soft one, summer friendly with beautiful design work, beads, sequin and fine embroidery design work, neck portions, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is hand portion, straight cutting. And this one full base part, very smart looks, crepe material, soft one. And bottom portions also very beautiful one, contrast color, maroon shade with same embroidery design work, very trendy and smart and bright looks, very elegant also. So let me display next one. This one also very beautiful and smart trendy looks based for your daily wear, premium quality cotton fabric with design work, very nice looks. This one beautiful embroidery design, designer buttons, very trendy looks, premium quality cotton fabric. And this one is hand portions, contrast color stripes, very trendy and smart one. And this one beautiful design work, bottom portions, mirror with embroidery design work, border portions, very trendy and smart bright looks based for your daily wear, office wear. And this one is leggings, contrast color, premium quality leggings, very trendy looks based for your daily wear. So let me display next one. Also very beautiful bright looks, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, very smart trendy one, smart cutting based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. And this one is hand portions, very nice one. And this one is contrast color, black combinations work and then have pockets also, very trendy and smart one. And this one is beautiful leggings, contrast color leggings, very nice looks based for your daily wear. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright color combination, smart looks, premium quality rayon cotton, very soft one, premium quality with contrast color printed work, very nice one. This one is designer buttons and bottom portions also contrast color printed and full all over base rayon cotton fabric printed one, bottom portions, hand portions also same contrast printed and very soft one, summer friendly, smart cuttings, straight cutting, smart looks. And this one bottom portions, beautiful one, cigar pant, designer cigar pant. This one is beautiful design work, very smart and trendy looks. So let me display next one. bright color combinations and all over printed one, premium quality cotton fabric and beautiful neck design, very smart and trendy looks and smart fit, very nice one. And this one is hand portion straight cutting and fully smart straight cutting and all over printed one, very smart and elegant looks. And this one, bottom portions beautiful designer plazo, fully fine chicken embroidery design work plazo, and this one is full set, very nice looks. So let me display next one. Also very beautiful one, nice elegant color combinations and premium quality pure cotton fabric with nice printed one and beautiful design work. This portion is neck portions with sequin stitch embroidery design, very nice one. And this one is hand portion straight cutting and frog pattern design, very smart and elegant looks. This one is frog pattern kurti, and bottom portions also beautiful designer bottom portions, contrast color with fine embroidery design work. Bottom portions plazo, very trendy and smart looks, and fine embroidery work, contrast color. And this one is full set, very trendy looks. So let me display next one. Very beautiful bright and gorgeous looks, fresh red set, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, premium quality soft one with beautiful design work, fine embroidery design and nice buttons designs, also fully designer buttons and very nice looks and soft comfortable. And this one hand portions beautiful designer hand and full top portions is very beautiful fine colorful embroidery work, very bright and gorgeous looks. And bottom portions also beautiful designer leggings, very trendy and bright gorgeous looks, fine embroidery net and embroidery design, fully embroidery design work leggings, very trendy and smart bright looks. So let me display next one. Next one also very beautiful one, very beautiful bright designer collections, very nice one, premium quality cotton fabric with beautiful print and embroidery design work, sequin embroidery, fully designer piece, very nice looks, sequin embroidery design, contrast color, cotton fabric, printed dupatta. And bottom portions also beautiful smart printed one, anarkali pattern, very trendy looks. And this one hand portions straight cutting with beautiful printed one. And this one is neck portions, very trendy and bright smart looks. And this one is contrast printed plazo, contrast same color with contrast printed color bottom part, very nice and nice looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful bright one. So let me display next one. Very beautiful one, fully designer piece, premium quality cotton fabric with printed one and nice embroidery mirror with lace embroidery design work, very nice looks, fully designer piece. And this one hand portions all over printed one, premium quality cotton fabric with lace border stitch design, very nice looks. And this one is dupatta also designer one, printed cotton fabric lace border stitch. And this one is full bottom portions fully anarkali pattern with lace design, very trendy and fresh smart looks, fully designer piece, very nice one. And this one bottom portions plazo, this one is bottom portions fully printed one, this one is full set, very nice and bright elegant looks. So let me display next one. Very beautiful and very sweet color combinations, very nice look, pink shade, premium quality cotton fabric with all over printed one. And this one anarkali pattern cutting with beautiful fine embroidery design, sequin with embroidery design work and beautiful printed dupatta, also contrast color printed dupatta. And this one is hand portions a straight cutting with lace border stitch, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is bottom portions contrast color bottom, this one is bottom portions, beautiful printed one. And this one is full set, very trendy and smart looks. So let me display next one. Beautiful color combinations, parrot green shade, premium quality rayon cotton base with beautiful fine weaving stripes work all over, very trendy and smart looks with beautiful designer buttons. And this one hand portions, very nice kurti, hand also same straight cutting with and fully weaving stripes design. And this one bottom portions contrast color leggings, soft one, premium quality. And this one is full set, very smart looks, So let me display next one. Next one also, you know, very bright and gorgeous looks. Beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks gown shape. And this one, you know, art silk material with weaving buta work and beautiful stone and sequin embroidery design. Very bright and gorgeous looks. Material is art silk gown, and this one is contrast color weaving work, contrast to color dupatta, and this one is beautiful gorgeous gown and have some beautiful colors also. This one is beautiful color combination. This one also same material, art silk material with design work. Very beautiful gorgeous color combinations gown, and best for your party wear. And this one is also, you know, beautiful color combination. This one is same material, same pattern, different color only, and this one is dupatta. So let me display next one. Next one also, you know, very bright and gorgeous looks. Fully designer lehenga, very trendy and elegant color combinations also. Neat material, have padded also with beautiful embroidery design. This portion is, you know, top portions. Fully neat material with fine embroidery work. Fully designer piece. Very nice one, best for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice looks. And this one, you know, skirt lehenga, fully designer lehenga with fine embroidery work. And this one is dupatta, designer dupatta. And this one, you know, hand portions, fully net material, premium quality soft net material with beautiful design embroidery work. And this one is full set, very bright and gorgeous looks. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful elegant looks kurti set, kurti and pants also, and fully weaving stripes design with nice embroidery work and buttons design also. And this one is all over weaving stripes design, contrast color with fine hand embroidery design. Very nice looks with contrast color, straight pant, very trendy and smart looks. Soft also. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.